There are some more examples of home resources which the parents can use and teach their students and children at home. Also, this learning, when takes place at home, it complements the learning that takes place in the school and vice versa. All the learning that takes place in the school complements the learning that takes place at home. So the students become more confident and they are aware that the school and the home is at the same level and they are all thinking in the same direction. There is a strong force of unity displayed by this, that the parents are supporting what is being learned in the school and the school is supporting and encouraging parents to make their children learn at home. Let us look at this example. A visit to some historical place can take the form of a history lesson. The parents should be more careful to take their children to places where some learning takes place. Usually, in the Pakistani cultural context, parents love to take their children to eat. They love to take their children to weddings. This is a cultural concept which is very common in the context of Pakistan. The parents must encourage their children to visit historical places, places where children can learn, places where there is an exhibition of knowledge. This is a very important aspect where the parents have to really work for. Because for the parents, the only entertainment for children is taking them out to eat. And just maybe some would be taking them out for a movie or attending a wedding. But how much can you learn from that? Of course, you can learn a lot from that also. Like, for example, the parents can teach table manners to their children. The parents can talk about food, whether it's hygienic or not. Learning can take place there as well. But along with that, the parents need to take their children to historical places where they can talk about history, and the children would come to know so much about the history of the country or some other place if they are taking them to a museum where there are exhibitions displayed related to other countries or other histories. A game played together as a family could be a lesson on discipline, teamwork, and learn to win and lose. It is a practice that children hardly play with their own parents. It is considered that children are only supposed to be playing with the other children of their own ages. There is no harm in that. Children may play with the other children of their own ages, but sometimes, as providing a home resource, the parents should make it a point that they are going to play some game which is possible for the parents to play with their children in order to teach them discipline, in order to teach them teamwork and play as a team player, and also to learn how to win and lose and not get upset about it. So, in that regard, the parents will be able to teach them a lesson which is related to winning and losing, which is related to group work, which is related to teamwork, and how to behave as a team, and how to be disciplined in a game. So, there can be certain games and also indoor games where the parents can easily participate and then teach these lessons to their children. Moreover, a visit to the family doctor's clinic could result in a biology or hygiene lesson. So, when the children visit the doctor's clinic with their parents, there is so much information on the walls in the clinic. The parents can always tell the children, this information is very important. Let us look at it. Let us look at the diagram. Let us look at the biology. There is so much there to learn. And also, while visiting the doctor, whatever the doctor says, the parents need to discuss that with their children so that they have information of hygiene and physiology. Grocery shopping can make the child learn about addition, subtraction, and so on. So, if the child is accompanying the parent to go to a grocery shopping, then the child will be learning how to add and how to subtract when all the payments are being done.